Okay, the first thing we want to do is remove the oil fill cap. That's going to help the crankcase vent properly when draining our oil. Next, using a 17mm wrench, we'll go ahead and remove the drain bolt. Let the engine oil drain completely. As the oil is draining, now's a good chance to check the condition of the crush washer. If it's damaged or missing, we'll want to replace it to prevent any future leaks. Then reinstall the drain bolt and torque it to 31 foot-pounds. Now, using a 65mm oil filter wrench, we'll remove the oil filter. You just simply unthread it. When installing the new filter, luckily Yamaha from the factory pre-lubricates the gasket, so that eliminates the need to apply any oil. But if yours isn't pre-lubricated, make sure you use a thin coat to help it seal properly and make it easier to remove on the next service. And we'll torque this to 12 foot-pounds. Now it's time to fill the engine with oil. Yamaha recommends that this unit hold 2.85 quarts of 10W40 motorcycle oil. I'm using Yamalube in this case, but make sure it's a motorcycle oil. Now we'll reinstall our oil fill cap, and this time we're going to start the engine up and let it idle for just a few moments. That's going to get the oil circulated through the system properly. After it's been idling for a few moments, then we'll shut the engine off and let the oil sit for just a few more minutes. That's going to help us achieve an accurate oil level reading. Now, looking at the sight glass on the right side of the crankcase, we want our oil level to be between the middle and upper portions of the sight glass, and this looks perfect, so let's hit the street.